You're not gonna see me tomorrow?
No, because I got a lot of work to do.
We live together. What do you mean you're not gonna see me?
Let me put it inside now. Somebody might steal it.
Nobody's gonna steal your wood, babe.
Huh?
Nobody's gonna steal your wood.
Yeah, they will.
Not if it's in front of the house. Currently struggling with raising my husband. Love you.
Yeah, I love you. I wonder what this was. It might have been a bench or something.
Yeah?
Or it could have been his patio deck.
It's the current project he's working on.